Hello everyone. Today we're going to showcase our Sprint 1 AUC booking venue. For this sprint, we focus on implementing the full stack layered architecture of this system, including the backend and the front end and database. The database is made by a cloud server called PostgreSQL, which makes our data reliable and secure. Understand?
We will start with sign up page. For sign up, user enter their name, email, and password. Select the rule. When they submit, the data is sent to the backend for validation. If there is an error showing like invalid email or a place that is not is empty, it will send an error for the users. After user is enter everything is valid, the account is created. When the user create an account, it will send him to the login page. For the login page, the user enters their email and password. When they enter login, an error will show if there's an invalid credential or an error message. When user enter their valid emails and password, the page will send them to search.
Now let's briefly demonstrate this part of the front end, which covers that we design and build a search page where the user can enter the room requirements, as you can see right now, by choosing the minimum capacity and the needed technology, such as a projector, whiteboards, 4K displays, or video conferencing.
So once the user decides the requirements that they would like for the room, the available spaces will show on the right-hand side of the website. In addition, once the user decides to book a room, they will see the 24-hour time bar, and once a user selects a time bar, that time slot is taken, and which will result in a red marker being shown at the position in which the time slot has been taken.
Okay, so once the user have booked a slot, they can also book another slot for another room, for example, and still the system can count that this is uh, whether this is under the 4-hour limit or not. You can see this is reflected under the fair use limit on the left side, uh, and uh, and once they try to register another, they will be informed immediately. You can also see that my bookings section on the left has all the bookings the user have confirmed successfully with the time they have selected.
Reflecting on this sprint, the main challenge was full stack integration, especially connecting a React front end to a live database on Supabase and handling deployment using Vercel, along with ensuring proper API communication and CORS configuration. Despite these challenges, we successfully delivered a fully working application. Looking ahead to Sprint 2, the focus will be on improving user control and back-end reliability by adding booking cancellations using soft delete, enforcing the strict 4-hour daily limit, and allowing users to edit their booking times safely, and letting users change rooms while keeping the data consistent and avoiding errors.